So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can switch in between the dark mode and light mode on LinkedIn. You can do the same process on your mobile application as well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the theme for your LinkedIn web. For the mobile also the same process. Now in order to change the theme of your LinkedIn account, you just have to first open the LinkedIn account on any browser or web browser, or you can do the same process on a smartphone as well. For example, I opened the LinkedIn on my Chrome browser. When I search here and I open my LinkedIn, you can see currently now I am in my LinkedIn account. Now in order, you can see currently it's in the light theme, and if you may have been uncomfortable with this theme because it produces a lot of light, and for your eyes precaution safeties, you can switch in between the dark modes as well. Just simply click on the profile option at the top window. You can see it's just right there, and then a small window will pop right in front of you where you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. When you click there, you can see you are now currently in the settings of your LinkedIn. At the left window, you have to go to the option of account preferences. By defaultly, it may have been already there also. Just simply click on this option, and here you'll see the lot of options right in front of you. Now at the display option, you can see only one mode is available for you, only one option, which is currently the modes. You can select from here the mode you want to select for your LinkedIn. For example, if I choose the dark mode, you can see when I click there, all the account settings has been changed, and now I am on the dark mode of my LinkedIn. If I go back to my profile, you can see everything is getting dark over there. So by this method you can switch in between the modes of your LinkedIn account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.